Today is the day.
We rewrite the original video. We're getting rid of that finally after almost 2 years. Isn't that pathetic?
It's pretty sad.
I've had that on there for like almost 2 years. I'm gonna give this to you.
I wish we had the footage that we could cut back to.
I know.
Of you saying, I'm gonna order that and maybe do like overnight shipping. It'll be the first time I've ever done overnight.
And it's been 2 years.
There, Levi.
Okay,
You
perfect.
Just stopped.
Is that working?
Yeah, it's working now.
Okay, so welcome back to another Out for Fun video.
Again.
Yep, because it flushed me out last time. Today we're doing something I've been needing to do since our very first video, like 2 years ago. We're putting this on. And I'm gonna install a new stereo deck, but we're not gonna probably get to that for a little while.
The funny thing is, the reason he's installing that is because he took it off.
What, this?
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be back to stock. So
I'm gonna go look at the front because I don't remember which way the stars go. Well, you're peeling the sticker off? Okay, the big star's on the left.
Yeah, big star's top left.
I'm guessing the pins have like one option, so it's probably pretty hard to mess up.
So this FMF sticker
we plasti dipped and then
that we plasti dipped has been on there for 2 years.
Are you excited?
I am excited.
Is this one of those things like my button on my stereo?
Dude, look how...
Oh, and it's...
That's okay. Just look how well that's held up.
That is insane. You
It's
could
like
slap
brand
that on
new.
something else.
I'm gonna put it on the fridge.
I think it deserves a spot
So we're
somewhere.
gonna put it on there to hold it for now. So then I'm just gonna clean this off. Gets a little bit of crap that it left, surprisingly.
I thought we were gonna have to tear that thing to shreds, and but no.
This color has a lot of sparkles right now. Look at that. Ooh.
I don't know that you can see it in the camera or not. Cannot tell
It looks very metallic.
on my tiny little screen.
I kind of wish I could run just the plain trunk, which is why I did this in the first place.
But then he took it off and found out there was 2 little holes behind it. Does it stick? How does it work?
Just 3M. Very good. So, after 2 years, it's going back on.
Am I filming? That'd be hilarious if I wasn't. Peel off, buy a new one, we gotta do it again.
What's nice about this is it makes it super easy to get in the right spot.
He says as he gets stuck to the wrong spot. My phone keeps interrupting this video.
That's okay. Look at that.
Like new. Sickest mod ever. At least 40 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
Like if a sticker is 5 or 10, that's definitely at least 40.
Oh yeah.
Because that's like a sticker to the extreme.
Sweet. It's kind of funny. It looks weird now with it.
It looks like it should.
Yeah.
I think it looks better.
It does look better, obviously. Okay guys, so it is the next day at this point, and I didn't want to start yesterday because I didn't have any time. I hit the wrong button because I had to be somewhere. So today we're gonna get started on the stereo install. So first I gotta turn off the battery. So the deck itself is held on by these 4 screws that are on the brackets. So I'm just gonna pull those off and then the deck will be able to pop out. And then we can put the new one back in there. These screws in the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it in there, are so hard not to drop. So I'm trying to keep all of them without dropping them. So as you can see, we got the old one out here. We just got to pull these brackets off, put those on the new one, wire it up in here, and we'll be all set to put the dash back together. So we got the old deck out, so now we just have to take these mounting brackets and mount them onto the new one. So we got to pull them off here, which should be pretty easy. So I went with the Pioneer DMH 2660 NEX because it's the one I found that has like the cleanest look to it. Whereas like other ones have big buttons and everything that kind of stick out. This one's kind of a nice clean surface on the front. You get extra screws for mounting it, microphone, and your wiring harness and everything. So I got all the wiring done, as you can see. Crimped them all on. Basically what you do is you just match the colors up. I checked everything in the manual and everything, so now we just gotta put it in the car and hook it up. We get to do, now we get to do the fun part. So we take basically this plug that I crimp wired up to all the right connectors, and then I have I'm running the, where's it at? Handbrake wire bypass, because when you have passengers you can still run certain deals. So basically you can connect different phones, all that, without putting the parking brake on. So I'm going to connect this up to here. That guy there, connect this ground wire that's right there. Mount it all up, and we'll see how it looks. Guys, as you can see, it works. It looks super clean. I hate that beeple sound. It works. It looks super clean. I'm going to throw this piece back on and get her all set up. Okay, turned out really good. I like it. Looks super clean. Now I just gotta hook, where's my microphone? I'm gonna put this on here with some adhesive, and then I'm gonna, you can't see it under there, but the little wire for the phone connector. I'm gonna hook that up so I can run Apple CarPlay, and we'll be all set. I'm really liking it. It really just cleans up the interior. It doesn't look quite so outdated like it used to. So I'm gonna go get the other stuff. I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can see, it's all installed. It makes the interior look way better. I'm really happy with it. Everything works, so that means I've wired it properly, which is always good. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's awesome to have the badge on finally after, that was our very first video when I took that off originally, and I don't know why it took me so long, but whatever. I'm really excited on this stereo. It just makes the interior so much nicer a place to be. Hopefully I'll get a mount for my phone in here soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and remember, it's all for fun.